Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. They say you can run, but you can't hide. You can be elusive. You can do what you like. But eventually, you come back into bloom, and we find out who you are. The elusive Peter Komp is now positively identified, despite what the label says in the pot. So this is a quick video just to ask Paul, I believe it is, to send me an email with the address details because I've lost them. So you need to get in touch. Use the channel email address, that's not a problem. And you're due this one. Sorry, you are overdue this one, like a year. But I wasn't prepared to send one that I wasn't confident on. I will do my best to keep that spike. It's only just opened. We do have roots in the pot now, so although it's still a very small plant, it's stable enough to send. And you're due some kikis of something or other. Quite honestly, at this time of year, I'm not doing another giveaway draw or anything like that. So basically, you're going to get all the kikis I've got in a bundle. You can sort them out and do with them as you please. I want them out of the way. They're just extra things for me to look after. The kikis are all bare rooted, so I'll just wrap them in something damp and send them off with this little pot. So it won't be a big box, but please get in touch. Let me have you privately. Don't leave them in the comment, but send an email with your address details and everything, and I'll get this done reasonably soon, and then hopefully you'll have some weeks with these blooms, and not too long after they open the fragrance comes. They'll need some good light to get that fragrance really going, but yeah, I'll leave that to you. So get in touch and we'll get a box off to Postman Pat, and it will be winging your way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.